Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is Timeless Vogue Luxury Consignment. Timeless Vogue is an Australian luxury consignment company. I think I have said it before when I have worked or promoted luxury consignment companies from Australia. I have told you before, I just get so happy and proud and just like patriotic. I am Australian, and being on YouTube and being on social media and the internet for so long and building the trust for luxury consignment, I think that to now do it with luxury consignment companies in my own country is just amazing, because yeah, I was one of the first voices to really promote these companies, and trust me, now you can see that they are just winning. I say they're laughing, I say they're winning because so many different people realize that if they are wanting to part with a luxury item or handbag, that these consignment companies are so good for that. And nowadays, only in the last kind of 3 years, 2 years, has it become understood that these companies are so trusted. To have trust in these pre-owned companies that are reselling and knowing that it's authentic, trusting them that it's authentic from all of the different steps that they take to have authentication, you know, agents look over it and know exactly what is authentic and what is counterfeit. These companies now have to stand by that. Okay, they have that on their plate. They have to stand by the authenticity. So without further ado, this item came from Timeless Vogue. I am going to link all their details to the company below. I'm going to link their Instagram, their website, everything you need to know about the company, where it is based, shipping, it is worldwide, insurance, things of that nature, every different step that is involved with purchasing from this company, it will all be in the information box below. Super excited, obviously have not seen it. Straight off their website, Camellia, thank you. All inclusive, box, ribbon, Camellia, everything was included, and that should all be stated in the listings of each item. Obviously, the most important thing for luxury consignment, pre-sale, resale, is the condition it is in. So they will state brand new, they will state pristine, all the top end, so 10 out of 10, giftable, full set, hasn't been used, all the way down to very good or good. So in a pre-loved condition where it is resellable. They're not going to necessarily take on an item, definitely at this level, I'm sorry, Timeless Vogue really only take on the pristine, well, you know, taken care of items to then sell on. So as I said, all included. Here's the tissue with the sticker packed perfectly down inside. Here's the dust bag, it's full dust bag it came with. So you can see it is a little bag. And woohoo! Look at the color. Oh, so it even came with sales proof of purchase. Obviously, all crossed out, digitally crossed out. There is no information, no card information, but there is its authenticity card. This is not a chip bag. Look at all. Look, it's so well packaged. Look, can you see pearls? Oh my gosh, let me get myself sorted here. Oh my gosh, they have wrapped this so well because it is quite delicate. Oh, can you see the pearls? Can you see the pearls? I'll sit back here. This is a pearl moment. I have pearl obsession, like deep down inside, Chanel wise, I have pearl obsession. When I saw this absolute unicorn in the boutique, I fell in love, because to me this is like Minaudier. So this is the 2021, yes, 21S Spring Summer collection. Do you know what? MADDIE would know, MADDIE shops would know exactly what season this is, and it is in the classic beige. If you have seen classic beige in person, you would just fall in love. You would fall in love. It is such a beautiful beige. It's got this undertone of pink, so it doesn't really throw that kind of like, you know, muddy kind of deep brown beige. It is so pretty. So this was the pearl CC, it's not crush, but CC drawstring pouch bag. That's exactly what it was. I'm gonna have to get cutaways to show you all of the features of this little beauty because it comes with so many details. Obviously the pearl strap, which you can see. It has a gorgeous leather break on top, again, which you can see. You have the full functioning CC pull and push mechanism logo there to open and close. Oh my gosh. No smell, nothing. I mean, this was listed as pristine. This wasn't listed as brand new full set, but this was pristine. So this was like a 9.5 out of 10. I tell you, I say it before with other consignment companies, I feel like sometimes they underrate. They really underrate. Maybe that is because that's their system, but I don't think this thing has been used. There is its black lining, just the drill, and then you can see the Chanel plaque there on the back with the leather tab, made in Italy. So it is just a bit, this has got space. This has got serious space, and then there is its date code. You can probably see it back here. So that would match up with the authenticity card that comes with it. As I said, it's not chipped. So to show you size, here is my iPhone, who knows, 14 regular. And there we go. So that is it standing up inside the bag. And you can see it's just peeking up over the top. So essentially the height of an iPhone 13. So yeah, there you go. This is like 11.5 centimeters. And yeah, that's about it. That's as far as we're going. My phone is usually always in my hand or my pocket because I am on it with my kids all the time or they're taking it. Just to show you up close here, the mechanism with the drawstring. So we are pulling tight if that's what you would like. Maybe you're out, you know, you're out and about sort of at markets or whatnot and you want your little pouch to take with you, but you want it to be secure enough to not sort of be open. Or just the details are insane. On the bottom we have that timeless tote. So the timeless tote has that CC stitching on the bottom there. Again, I will get you some nice cutaways so you can see the details. Let's stand up for Timeless Vogue. Obviously just on the shoulder, the drop there is long. It is quite long. That is mid booty for me. It looks like a necklace. I am so obsessed with pearls. Is this not just Chanel in one whole image? The pearls. She was just so ladylike. To have this, go out for lunch, go with the girls, have a cocktail. Look at this little bag. Okay, so let's grab it. Again, opening the closure. I run and grab things from my bag that I am using. So I am just on a card holder at the moment, my Louis Vuitton reverse monogram card holder. I am running around with tiny bags. I basically had my Eva clutch all last week with the boys, so that is going in there. It kind of has to lean on an angle, obviously, because it is that height. Then I have my 4 key always with me, so that can sit behind the card case. My car key has my Louis Vuitton luggage tag on it, which I say in mini bags, it has to come off. Like, it's just, sometimes I see girls doing like a what's in my bag and what fits, and they've got their keyless entry car key in something or on something, and I'm like, I know, I don't like taking it off either, but it obviously will fit without it. This I was using as well. This is showing you the perfect size of it. So there you go. That is a mini O case from Chanel, and actually Timeless Vogue last week had one of these on the site. Please go and see if it's still available, because this in the caviar leather is an absolute gem. They're hard to find with the burgundy lining and champagne hardware, so also go check that out. If it's still available and hasn't sold, I will link it below from Timeless Vogue. So that is basically it for what I would put in it. That was what was in my last bag that I was using, which was Eva Clutch, I think the Louis Vuitton bum bag, the little bum bag there. And then obviously phone is being held in the hand or in the, you know, in my pocket or whatnot. And then we can just cinch it on up, and there, a little day out. The card holder's a little bit high, but a little day out with the girls. You don't have to have a card holder. You can do something else. You could probably do a little wallet. This is just showing you the O-zip card case. Still pretty tall, but I mean, if it's sitting there and it's going in, obviously I say this, you don't need these pouches and these, you know, key holders and everything. Not everyone, a lot of people, okay, everyone doesn't have these things, okay? Do you know what they do? They get their most used credit card and they throw it in. They get their car key and they throw it in. And they get their keys, which are most probably just on a keychain, and they throw that in as well. They grab their double faceted mirror and they throw that in. They grab their lip gloss and they throw that in, okay? It's us who do pouch on pouch on pouch. So if you're going out with your girls, perfect. That all fits, obviously, because it's not in pouch, in pouch, in pouch. That is all you would need. Oh my gosh. So in closing, I'm absolutely smitten. Can you tell? This beige Claire in person is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. If you haven't seen it, maybe your boutique might have, you know, a mini flap, or sorry, a you know, a double flap, a classic double flap in it. Maybe they might have a seasonal, but the traditional beige Claire is just like, oof, it is so good. Again, thank you so much to Timeless Vogue Luxury Consignment Australia for sponsoring this video. Please trust me when I say I would never come on here and promote these companies that I didn't trust, okay, that I wasn't planning to part my money with, in the sense that it could possibly have a form of counterfeit on its books. No, I wouldn't come on here and promote that to you guys at all. I'm gonna leave all the links below to this amazing company. I have known them for so long. They are very famous on Instagram and have known all of the girls in the luxury community for years. And I am honored and proud to be working with them as an Australian consignment company. Proudly, the company has given my subbies and viewers a personal coupon code to their items. It will be linked below. So if you want to win a double faceted mirror from me to you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me a comment below about anything. I will find you. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, guys. Take care. Peace.